If you're wondering how to manage a nonprofit using Monday.com, stick around. In this video, we'll go over how Monday.com can help streamline your nonprofit's operations, and we'll dive into a few key features that can save your team time and effort. But I'll also mention some alternatives that might actually be better suited to your nonprofit's needs, so make sure you stick around till the end. Now, first things first, Monday.com is an incredibly visual platform. The best part about it is how easy it is to use. Whether you're managing donors, volunteers, or your fundraising efforts, you can set up boards that display all your tasks, deadlines, and assignments at a glance. This means your team doesn't have to waste time looking for where things stand or figuring out who's doing what. Next thing, let's talk about integrations. Monday.com connects seamlessly with tools you may already be using like Google Drive, Slack, and even your email. For a nonprofit, keeping everything in one place is crucial, and these integrations mean less time spent switching between platforms. The third thing is automations. You can set up custom automations on Monday.com that save you time on repetitive tasks. For example, if a donor makes a contribution, you can automatically send them a thank you email or update your financial records. This reduces human error and ensures everything runs smoothly. Next, Monday.com does offer robust reporting and analytics features. You can easily track your nonprofit's progress by looking at real-time metrics. This is a huge advantage when you're trying to demonstrate impact to your stakeholders or make informed decisions about where to allocate resources. However, it's important to note that the reporting tools, while powerful, could require a bit of time to set up depending on the complexity of your nonprofit's needs. The fourth thing to mention is that Monday.com's price can be a bit steep, especially if you're running a smaller nonprofit with a tight budget. While there's a free plan, you might quickly hit limitations that would require you to upgrade to a paid version. You'll need to weigh the cost against the features and decide if it's worth it for your team. Now, with all that being said, I want to mention some other options that could potentially serve your nonprofit even better. For example, Trello is a solid alternative that's more budget-friendly and has great visual task management, but lacks some of the advanced reporting features. Airtable is another contender, offering more flexibility in how data is organized, but the learning curve can be a little steeper. So here's the deal. While Monday.com is an excellent tool for managing nonprofit teams, I also recommend checking out these other platforms that might align better with your needs, especially if you're just starting out or need something more cost-effective. At the end of the day, the best platform for managing your nonprofit depends on your specific needs. Monday.com is great for complex projects and large teams, but if you want to maximize your budget and simplify your processes, there are alternatives you should definitely explore. And before you go, don't forget I've got an exclusive and extended free trial for Monday.com, plus I've included links to some of the best alternatives with free trials too. These links will give you exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, so check them out in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the best options for your nonprofit in the links below.